Hello everyone, let's learn some colors. Black color, brown color, orange color, dark green color, pink color, purple color, light green color, yellow color, sky blue color, red color, dark blue color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cup. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for uniform. V for vegetable. W for water. X for x-ray. Y for yak. Z for jeep. Let's learn numbers. 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20, 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26, 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28, 2, 9, 29, 3, 0, 30, 3, 1, 31, 3, 2, 32, 3, 3, 33, 3, 4, 34, 3, 5, 35, 3, 6, 36, 3, 7, 37, 3, 8, 38, 3 9 39 4 0 40 A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 44